China's largest freshwater lake, Poyang Lake in Jiangxi Province, has again ushered in a peak for the arrivals of migratory birds. The lake was hit hard by drought in 2022 due to heat waves and dry weather. To ease the situation, local authorities have made diversified efforts to replenish saucer-shaped lake areas, which are ideal places for migratory birds to forage.
就有利于扩大蝶形湖的面积，提升蝶形湖的水位，促进蝶形湖里面的渔业资源、螺蚌资源的繁育以及沉水植物的繁育。这样的话呢，就对候鸟越冬非常有利。
Poyang Lake is an important wintering spot for waterfowl in Asia. The peak migration period for birds heading to the lake begins in mid-December and continues into early January. Following the efforts made by local authorities, notable changes have occurred in the region.
像我们经常在湖里把什么鸟老远我就能看得出来。
我们在1月9号进行一次监测，整个我们都昌湖区的鸟类达到了38种，11万多只。